Hello, here's another AQA A-level Physics question from the nuclear physics topic. If you want to try to answer the question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer D, well done. So, a Geiger counter is placed near a radioactive source and different materials are placed between the source and the Geiger counter. So, there's our source. And here is our Geiger counter, and we have a choice. This might be emitting alpha radiation, it might be emitting beta radiation, or even gamma radiation. And the question is, if we put different materials in between, we're going to learn which radiation is being emitted by what's not reaching or is reaching the Geiger counter. So let's have a look. So if we have no material in between, then alpha, beta and gamma radiation will all reach the Geiger counter. So that doesn't really tell us, the first line doesn't tell us anything apart from some radiation is being emitted. We put paper in between. Now paper would stop alpha radiation, so beta and gamma would still be able to reach the Geiger counter. As the count rate hasn't fallen, then we can tell that there was no alpha being blocked by the paper. So we know from this line there is no alpha radiation being emitted. What about aluminium foil? Well, 2 to 3 millimeters of aluminium will stop beta radiation, but aluminium foil will just stop some of the beta. So some beta will still get through and all of the gamma radiation will get through if there's aluminium foil. Well, given the fact that the count rate has dropped, suggests that at least some of that radiation is beta radiation. So we know from this line there is some beta radiation being emitted. Now finally, thick steel. Thick steel won't allow any beta radiation, but it will allow just about all of the gamma radiation. So let's have a look. The count rate has fallen from 250 to 50 with the addition of thick steel, so we can definitely tell there is some beta radiation, but the count rate hasn't fallen off to almost nothing. That's not a background count, so there must be some gamma radiation as well. So by looking at all four of those lines, we can tell there's no alpha, there is some beta, and there is some gamma radiation. So line D. I hope that was useful. If it was, subscribe, like and share and watch more of them in the series. Thank you for watching.